Okay, Taylor, what are we eating?
Chicken feet.
Describe it. What does it taste like?
What does it taste like?
Is it good? Is it bad?
Chicken feet.
Like what? Like what do you give it? You give it like 1 out of 10, 10 out of 10.
1,000 out of 10.
Wow, is it that good?
Is that good?
Yeah.
Show us your chicken feet.
What else are you eating?
So how do you eat it? You gotta spit the bones out? Do you eat the bones or
Spit the bones out.
spit the bones out?
And don't eat just spit the meat.
Just the chicken feet?
No. Just the meat.
Okay, are you signing out?
We're at dim sum right now, and I'm gonna sign up.
Chicken feet, thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.